Dick and do the turkey hop and never stop. You want to do, you like to do turkey hop.
What's up, Kalamazoo? Executive Chef Josh Kirby here, along with dietitian Kirsten Strong. For this month's Excelsior recipe rundown, we thought we'd show you a little dessert that would look great on your Thanksgiving table. It's not too heavy or overly sweet. It has some really complementary flavors going on. Let's get into it.
Speaking of complementary flavors, have you ever heard of the Flavor Bible? This book is one of the most influential culinary books that there is to date. Instead of providing recipes, it focuses on what goes well with what, allowing for creative dish building. How the Flavor Bible works is it has tons and tons, hundreds of ingredients listed in the book. So for example, here is mangoes. Say you have mangoes in your house and you want to use them and pair them with something. So you flip to the page with mangoes, you look under it and look at all these foods that are listed. All of those foods go well with mangoes. Now, if you wanted to see what foods pair even better with mango, you would look for those that are either bolded or capitalized and bolded. So the Flavor Bible is super user-friendly, and it's a really fun tool to use for at-home cooking. Let's get back to the recipe. First step is to blend our cookies and then our pistachios. We're using a food processor here, but you can also just use your hand. Now it's time to make our pumpkin pie flavored whipped cream. So that is just whipped cream, some pureed pumpkin, and pumpkin pie spice.
Dick and do the turkey hop and never stop.
This is a really neat trick. So if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a large Ziploc. And this helps to be able to portion the whipped cream easier into the cup so you don't get whipped cream everywhere. Once you get all the whipped cream in the bag, you just want to cut a small hole in one of the corners, and then that creates a homemade piping bag. Now we're just going to layer all of our ingredients into each one of the cups. If you're using about a 12-ounce cup, you should get about 2 layers in there. Next, we'll add a little lemon zest.
And never stop.
We found some really cool edible glitter, so we're going to top this off with some blue, sparkly sprinkles. Your last step is just to refrigerate these until you're ready to serve.
You don't want to stop. You will grab a chick.